What's up, my people?
Alright, so we're gonna do our hair blonde today. I'm gonna look just like this bitch. Maybe kind of like her. Bullshit. Hopefully I do. Alright now. I should have known this was a bad idea. My hair is blonde.
But you know, I don't care. The blonder, the better.
Alright, my hair is definitely damaged. If you guys want to cut my hair, hey, somebody let me know. Because I'm obviously having some issues. Alright, so I'm gonna open up the box and we're gonna see this is super blonde. We got the little packets, gotta cut up and put in. That's the conditioner. We don't need that yet, but we need that. Time to put the gloves and gonna mix it. First, we're gonna put that big packet. Yeah, I don't know the name, but that's what we need. There's 2 of them, so we gotta put 2. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and we have to mix that one up. Always leave some space, or else it's gonna blow up in your face. Always leave some space, or else it's gonna blow up in your face. That's why I keep opening it. You know, shake, 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 shake. All right, now we got the tube, the last tube. That's the one we gotta put in. All right, now this one's hard, like super hard. I don't understand why I have so much problems. This was really hard to like let out, but I'm gonna get it. You know, we're gonna work. I don't understand why I gotta do that face. I mean, you don't have to do that face, but you're, you know, emptying out the thing.
Wanna know why is this so complicated?
Still here. Trying to empty it out. I still don't feel like I have enough, or whatever. Anyway, we're gonna shake it up. Shake, shake, always leave some space. 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 Shake, 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 shake. Ah, damn, there's not enough shaking.
My arms hurt.
Jeez, I'm tired. Oh, what? Why am I still going? Shake, 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 shake.
Finally done with a fucking mission.
Shake, shake, shake.
All right, let's do this. Check me out.
All right. Now we're gonna start. My hair's like super long, so I have to cut it in 4 sections.
Beep, 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 beep,
Right.
beep.
So
Swish.
my music
Wash.
sucks. All right. So 4 sections.
I'm gonna do my hair
1,
blonde.
2.
Ooh.
I'm gonna go ahead and separate that. What you want to start is on the roots. You have to do the roots first. Well, you know, I have to do my roots first because they're super dark. So I have to start there first and then leave it for a little bit, you know. So here I go. Make sure you get all the roots. I mean, you know, that bun is like really, really funny right now.
La 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 la, why am I so obsessed with doing my hair? I wanna do my hair every day. Ooh, 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 it's so damaged.
So I'm
almost done with my roots in the back. Make sure you get all the roots.
But I can't see, so yeah. I think I'm done. I'll just put it on my hands better. You can apply it better. The bottle sucks.
I did all my roots and let it sit for about 20 minutes before I started on the rest of my hair. So this was 20 minutes after. Now if you could see closely, you could see that they already changed a little bit. But not that much.
I don't know why I got myself into this. I always get myself into the craziest things. This is for my long hair people. Power to the people. This shit was burning the fuck out of my eyes. So please, open the windows. Don't close the door in the bathroom. You will suffocate and die. You will die! Cover it completely with a bag so it can heat up inside. One more bag, Ross bag, any bag. Subscribe for more videos like this. Let's go heat.
So you get
like
a bag,
this video.
I get a bag, you get a bag, you get a bag, you get a bag.
Yes. So this is the finished product and I love it. So let's check out the roots. And you see how everything is the same color. You know, it's a little lighter on the roots, but that's good. Check it out. Check out the back. Now I did a little part to the side. And now you can see the back a little bit better. Kind of looks like highlights, like light blonde highlights. Well, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.